Okay, today I want to talk about TonicPow and show you how it works. It says earn Bitcoin by sharing products you like with your audience on any platform. Okay, understand? Followers to financing. I don't really get it, but never mind. It says social monetization. Earn Bitcoin for recommending your favorite products and services. The more engagement you drive, the more Bitcoin SV you earn. Okay, I understand. I share an affiliate link and hopefully I get some Bitcoins. Better advertising. Reach real people wherever they are today. Track your campaign and set your own payouts for click-throughs and conversion goals. Create campaign. So this is for advertisers, and hopefully people share the link. And this is for development. Let's check out the offers. So there's lots of offers here, and I can get to choose which service I like, and this is very important, right? I like Handcash, what's on chain, so I can get to choose which one I want to promote. And yesterday I shared TonicPow link, and this is my setting, and get share link created and shared in my Twitter feed, and I ended up having 5 people clicking on my link, and I earned 5 cents worth of Bitcoins. So it's very simple, and what do you think?